Life. How beautiful it is. How amazing it is to be able to rise up in the morning and have that sun shine on your face, rather than on your grave. That makes life so unique and so beautiful. It is beautiful, because whatever you have that you may be facing, what you may be dealing with, life is still good. Life has so many moving parts, but life is always good. Every day is a new day and another opportunity that others may not have. This life that you have been given, this life that you are temporarily holding on to, this life that has been just given to you for only temporary reasons, has more meaning than you can ever imagine. So many people in the world take life for granted instead of realizing that you have to take the opportunity to live it the best way you know how. Now on this journey of life, you're going to face a significant amount of circumstances, a significant amount of challenges. You are going to fall into areas that you cannot understand. And maybe it's not in the position for you to understand at that moment when you start to feel that you are in a position that you don't love your life. Then shame on you, because your life is a beautiful thing and no one deserves to ruin it. No one deserves to control it. No one deserves to steal your joy. Your life is your life, and you have the right to live it the best way you can. For this is your life that you are fighting for. This is your life that you are living for. And make no mistake, no one is going to do you better than you. Do not wait for something to happen. You make it happen. You make it happen for a reason, and take full responsibility and control of this thing we call life.